Today, we're taking a closer look at the 2-inch billet aluminum hub-centric 6-lug wheel spacers for the 2022 and newer Tundras. If you're looking to improve your Tundra stance, clear larger tires, or achieve a more aggressive wheel fitment, these spacers are a smart and effective upgrade. These 2-inch wheel spacers are designed to widen your truck's width, which can offer better stability, especially when cornering or carrying heavy loads. The added width also helps your wheels sit more flush with the fenders, which not only enhances your stance, but also gives your Tundra a more aggressive, off-road ready appearance. Because these are hub-centric, they're machined to match your factory hub precisely, ensuring a perfect fit and eliminating the risk of vibrations that can come from those non-hub-centric spacers. This design also centers the wheel on the hub instead of relying on the lug nuts alone, which helps preserve long-term drivability and safety. In addition to style and stance improvements, these spacers can provide the clearance needed for wider tires, upgraded suspension components, or aftermarket brake kits, giving you more flexibility for future mods. So when it comes to the construction, these are going to be crafted from high quality billet aluminum. And these spacers strike the ideal balance between strength and weight. They're CNC machined for precise tolerances, ensuring proper fitment and balance. Each one of these spacers is going to be finished with a black corrosion resistant coating to protect against rust, road grime, and those elements. Now, as far as the pricing goes, these are coming in right around that mid $100 price range for the pair of 2 spacers. These spacers are going to be a cost-effective way to dramatically change the look and performance of your Tundra. Compared to the price of new wheels or an extensive suspension work, they offer a budget-friendly solution that delivers immediate results. When it comes to the install, this is going to be a direct bolt-on process, so it's getting rated a simple 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and it should only take you about 30 minutes of your time to complete. So now let's head on out to the shop, and they're going to give you a detailed walkthrough of exactly how these get installed.
For this install, you need a 3/8 impact, 19mm socket, flathead screwdriver, and a torque wrench. All right, today we're installing a wheel spacer on our Tundra, so let's get started. All right, so now we're going to get our wheel spacer. We unthreaded our nuts that were on our studs here. We're just going to get this lined up and thrown over our hub. We're going to install all of the supplied nuts on our factory lug nuts. And we're going to grab our impact and a 19mm socket. Go ahead and start to tighten those down. We're going to snug them up and then we're going to torque them down. So we're just going to get these all started and we'll snug them up with our impact. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and grab our torque wrench and a 19mm thin wall socket. Grab a flathead screwdriver, just jam it in the rotor there to help it keep it from spinning. Torque this down to 100 foot-pounds. All right, now that they're all torqued, we're ready to put our wheel back on. All right, now that all those nuts are nice and torqued down, you can go ahead and repeat the same thing on the other 3 corners, and then you're ready to put your wheels on and torque them down to the same 100 foot-pounds. And that wraps up our install of our 2-inch billet aluminum hub-centric 6-lug wheel spacers for our 2022 and newer Tundra. And remember, for everything Tundra, keep it right here at extremeterrain.com.